こんにちは、トレイシです。This is your motivational study break with mynihongolessons. 皆さん、こんにちは。This is session 21 and there are 3 more numbers to review and 2 new kanji. This is our worksheet, session 21. We'll be looking at 5 kanji, 2 new, and 5 example sentences. Let's go over the kanji. I will say what it is in English, and then I will read the pronunciation, the example sentence, and I'll read some example words at the end. 8 8はややつ8つ柿を8つ取るやつ9 9 9 9つみかんは9つだ10 10じとととまで数えよう。water 水川で水遊び水水遊び水浴びperson 人旅人が来た人旅人 Now let's use these kanjis, our new kanji, and write the pronunciation next to them. I will say the number and then I will pause and then read the sentence and then I'll read it again showing the answers. You may pause after you hear the number or after I read it the first time. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. 1柿を8つ取った柿を8つ取った2みかんは9つあるみかんは9つある310まで数えよう10まで数えよう4川で水遊びをした川で水遊びをした5旅人が来た旅人が来た How did you do? Now this one introduces some past tense direct style verbs as well as a volitional style. A volitional is kind of like saying let's. So there is a volitional style word here used in the direct form. I really love looking at materials written for native speakers, by native speakers, because there's so much more that we can learn about the Japanese culture when we take a look at these writings. Mata ne!
皆さん、よくできました。
Join me on Patreon for new lessons every week, downloadable resources, and live study support. And a special thank you to all of my Patreon supporters.
ありがとうございます。
Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss another Marugoto goal. And please share this with a friend, because studying a language is always better with a buddy. Mata ne!